long before dumating na ang missionaries ng Islam sa kaya yung dating ng Amerikano, nobody immoral would not work for them. They came up with this sloganeering, go to Mindanao because it is the land of promise. But ang totoo niyan, yung Mindanao, pinaghati-hati na ng mga pamilyang Amerikano, pati yung insulares. Those were the Spanish citizens who never went back to Spain. Kaya gano'n. Kanila is 1,500 hectares. Almost a municipality. Kaya yung mga sundalo, yung Padada, Yulo Padada, Christensen Empire yan. Ano yung Amerikano yan? Yung kay Danding Kuhuang ko,